Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this stunning Triumph 1200 Speedmaster, registered the 17th of June 2022 on a 22 plate with only 2,828 miles and presented in the limited Goldline edition. This superb example benefits from main dealer service history and plethora of genuine Triumph must-have accessories which include heated grips, leather panniers, large touring screen, chrome grab rail and upper engine bars. The Speedmaster 1200 is based on the proven and hugely successful bobber and is arguably more desirable, comfortable and practical as you have the option of sharing the ride with a pillion. It's laid back, smooth and has class-leading handling and rider modes. This beautifully crafted high-performance 1200C cruiser would leave us serviced where required with a full pre-delivery inspection, 3 months warranty and 12 months MOT. The option to extend to a 12 or 24-month warranty is also available. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £89 admin fee on all of our bikes. Part exchanges are welcome. For more information, please contact us on 01424 44 44 48, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 073 598 37799. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.